A growing line of mourners could be seen outside a Beijing morgue on Wednesday as China battles its COVID surge. It's not the picture some there would like the world to see. No filming, said this security staff. China's health authorities officially reported just 5 deaths on Tuesday. But some believe the toll to be much higher, including Zhang, a Beijing resident.
Some people told me, the government relieved the number that was the single-digit number of the deaths. That is totally ridiculous and not credible. As far as I know, my close relatives, among them, there are 4 died already. That is from one family. So I hope the government will honestly and credibly tell its people and people in the world what really happened here.
The World Health Organization on Tuesday invited Chinese scientists to share detailed numbers on its COVID deaths, hospitalizations, and vaccinations, as concern grows over the accuracy of China's data for its current surge. State mouthpiece The People's Daily on Wednesday called on citizens to rally around a final victory over the virus. In the same editorial, it rejected criticism of the tough anti-virus regime that triggered protests late last year. Beijing U-turned on zero COVID policies in early December after a flare-up of public anger, and now infections are growing. Fearful of new variants emerging, countries are slapping tougher controls on inbound Chinese travellers, which Beijing criticises as unreasonable and lacking scientific basis. Japan will require a negative test result before departure for all Chinese visitors from Wednesday, following similar moves from the United States, Britain and South Korea. South Korea, which began testing travellers from China for COVID on Monday, said more than a fifth of the test results were positive. A Chinese Foreign Ministry spokeswoman denounced the testing as discriminatory practices, adding that countries should not use the surge as an opportunity to engage in political manipulation. But despite restrictions, state media reports interest in outbound travel is cranking up. At least 5 million Chinese are expected to arrive in Thailand this year, a third of its pre-pandemic annual total, while bookings for international flights from China have risen yearly by 145%. Though passenger travel is still a fraction of pre-COVID levels, the Chinese government says it will increase flights and make it easier for residents to travel abroad.